Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make breakfast in just 5 minutes when you have no gas supply at home. Here I am making half fry eggs with grilled bread in Anex grilling machine and tea in microwave oven. So let's get started. This is the Anex grilling machine which I am using here. Now open it and grease it with oil. Grease it properly both of its plates. Here I am taking 2 bread slices and putting all together. Now crack 2 eggs, adding black pepper as per your taste. Now adding salt as per your taste. Now close the lid and switch on the machine. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes to grill. Both these lights shows it's done. You can see your half eggs are almost ready and bread slices are done only from one side because we have added 2 eggs side by side. So you can see eggs and breads are attached together, so first of all we need to separate eggs with the bread and put back bread slices again in the machine. Now take out the eggs. Now give few more seconds to bread slices. Check out the close view of these yummy eggs. As machine is already preheated, so it will take less than a minute to grill the other side. You can see these slices are ready. As bread slices and eggs are ready, now start making tea, without which breakfast is incomplete. So for this we need 1 cup milk, adding sugar 1 tablespoon or as per your taste. Now adding tea half teaspoon or as per your taste. Now dissolve the sugar granules and put it in oven for 2 minutes. Now set the timer for 2 minutes only. The microwave will take only 2 minutes to make a tea. So after 2 minutes, now strain the tea in another cup. So our yummy breakfast is ready in just 5 minutes when you have no gas supply at home. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.